Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use microphone settings on the Explain Everything app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Explain Everything app, then go to the home page, which is on the left side of the screen here, as you can see. And then on the top right corner of the screen, you should see these three buttons. Now tap on them, and it's going to open up the menu where you have to tap on the settings icon, and it is going to open up the settings. So Explain Everything has quite a huge number of options in the settings menu that you can set up. But to calibrate your microphone settings, you just have to go to the collaboration tab, and you can choose your microphone when joining. So it can be set to enabled, which means that when you join a project or a meeting, your microphone is going to be enabled automatically. You can set it to muted, which means that when you enter, your microphone is going to be muted. Or you can set it to ask, which is, in my opinion, the best option. When you join, Explain Everything is going to ask every time if you would like to use your microphone in this project or no. So that's pretty much it there, and you can go to the record settings as well to see your microphone settings, which are available at the recording section of your project. So if you're recording a class, you can set your microphone to be mute microphone while playing imported videos, which can be a good thing. You can turn this on. That means that when you play a video for your class, your microphone is going to be muted automatically. Otherwise, if you want to explain something regarding the video, you might want to turn this off. And the second one is audio fade in for external mics. You can turn this also on or off. So that's pretty much it for the microphone settings. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.